So in your business, you should be the bank, and you should be able to finance plans accordingly, depending on the clients that you're working with. And by doing this, you're able to not only customize the amount they're paying you, but you're also able to discuss the terms, meaning you might finance somebody longer. They might not be able to do your payment plan of 2 payments of $5K, but what you are willing to do is you can extend it out a little bit further and say, look, I'm going to extend it a little bit further beyond the terms of service, and we'll just add on what we call our financing fee for an extra $500 to extend it out, to give you the time to pay off the additional amount beyond our services, right? Those little things matter, right? And you have agreements and contracts to solidify that, to ensure that they are paying that bill, okay? So I wanted to set that as the foundation, because we use a lot of one-time offers in our objection handling that allow us to get the deal. Like, we'll turn a no into a yes within a matter of 1 minute.